Hi everyone, my name is CS Harshdeep Singh Narula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is how to register your brand, how to register your brand name. When you start your business, when you're going to start your business, or if you have already started your business and you have also a brand name, so you would like to register, you should get it registered on the portal of government. And what is the portal of government in this case? The portal of government is IP India. And when we talk about how to register a brand name here, the brand means what? The brand means trademark, your brand name. So the trademark could be your logo, that is XYZ logo, or the trademark could be your word mark as well. So when we talk about the brands, the brand is the most important thing for a person, because when you are going to start your business, or if you have already started your business, that means what? You are running a brand, you are running an intellectual property in the other sense. Like for example, you have tangible assets. In the tangible assets, you must be having goods, you must be having your assets. However, the intangible asset, that is your trademark, this benefits a lot, because in today's era the names are very less. Everyone is taking one or another name, so the names are very limited. So you should get your brand registered. I'll tell you why. To get your brand registered, it's very important because of a single thing. That means you are investing so much time in it, you are investing so much money in it, and what if somebody else register your brand name before you do, and you lose that brand and you get a legal notice? So today we will discuss how to register your brand name. So we discuss what is a brand. So brand means what? Brand means a trademark. So you have it can be registered online as well as offline as well as online. So in the today's era is not offline. You know that post COVID, everything has been turned online. So even the trademark filing is also online. So there are two ways to file the in online mode. Also, there are two ways to file the trademark application. One is yourself, you can also file it yourself, and you can also file it through attorney. Like for example, I am a trademark attorney, I have a different portal for myself, and we file our client's application from our own portal. In the offline mode also, there are, one is yourself and another is through the attorney. So these were the two modes through which you can file your trademark application. Now I'll tell you what is the fee, what is the procedure, and other things. So the form is TMA. TMA is also known as trademark application. So in this, the fee is 4,500, that is government fees. In this, you will apply on online portal of IP India. Once you have applied it, you will attach few documents in it, like your brand name, if you have logo, if you have description, if you have any tagline, and along with that you will attach power of attorney if it is getting filed through attorney. And in the case of yourself, you are filing yourself, you will attach your copy of Aadhaar and PAN. Also you need what? You need your email address, phone number, and your proper address and your proper details. Once it is filed, it will go through another checks like formality check. Then it will go to third step, marked for exam. Then the fourth step is examination report. If it's marked for the if it's marked for the objection, it will be reply to examination report. That is examination report issued. You'll file a reply. Then the officer is satisfied, it will be accepted. If it's not satisfied, the hearing will be done. So these are the common steps. We'll not properly discuss about the steps in this video. I have other videos also where I have discussed how to register your brand, how to register your trademark. So in this case, it's very important how to register your brand or trademark, because of the thing is, when you are talking about your brand, it is the most important thing right now for you. And for example, you started your business right now, right away, and you did not get a trademark for yourself. And after you are thinking that we'll take it after 1 year, 1 month, 2 years, or whenever we have money. So when we are talking about the money, the trademark only takes 4,500 of you, and it saves a lot of your time. So if you think that you're not taking it today and you take after 2 or 3 years, what if somebody else got it registered in that particular class and sends you a legal notice? So in how to register your brand, there is only one way, that is trademark in India. There is no other way to register your brand. Thank you very much. If you would like to know more about this is my phone number. You can call us or WhatsApp us. We'll be happy to serve you. Thank you.